We got some events coming up and racing season's about to start. Got one problem though. We ain't got no seats. So what I gotta do today is I gotta figure out a seat situation, and I got a couple ideas. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you enjoy the content on my channel, let's get into it. All right, so you guys see it in the background. We have an old school set of GT seats. One of the major problems is they're a little bit old, but they've stood the test of time, and they are definitely faded. So Cousin Paul had this idea. He's like, bro, we just get some fabric paint and we'll just dye them out. I'm like, that stuff doesn't work real well. Does it? So we're gonna make a run over to AutoZone right now, and then we're gonna get a can of this Duplicolor, because I've always liked Duplicolor, and we're gonna spray these seats and see how clean they actually do come. You guys know that I actually restore a lot of dashes and a lot of plastic parts. Let's take a quick peek on, try to save us a couple $100, and let's spray these seats. They're in great shape, and let's try to make them black again. Let's see what happens. All right, so I went in there and got a Duplicolor vinyl and fabric. Ideal use for dashboards, door panels, center consoles, trim, and seats. So we're actually going to see if this actually works on seats. I mean, what more can I lose? I'd rather not have a faded set of corbeau seats. I'm never going to get that right. Worst case scenario, I have to put the new Pro Cars that I just bought in it. Try to save myself some money though. All right, so like I said, I got a flat black can of Duplicolor. Like I said, I think it's going to refresh this black a little bit. I'm not real worried about ruining the material because it's already faded and kind of nasty. So, I mean, worst case scenario, it don't work. I don't want it to be faded in my car. So we're gonna give it a shot. What I also did is I stopped at a dollar store and got a brush, because I think I'm gonna need to brush some of this fabric out to make sure that it can accept the paint pretty good. You know what I mean? Just to kind of get whatever might be left dirt-wise, get it off the seat. Way it's nice and plush and ready to go. I'm no expert when it comes to this stuff, but this only makes sense. All right, so here we go. So I shook it up pretty well. We'll give this a shot. Not afraid to do it. Let's just get right into it. Could have probably cleaned these out a little bit more, but honestly, I don't think it would have mattered. I've painted seats before. Oh yeah, that's coming out black. It's nice. I've painted seats before with the wrong paint. Not a good effort. I'm telling you, I could have been a darn good graffiti artist. I started a little early right here. I need to come down in here. I should be wearing gloves, which I think I'm gonna go put on. The main part of this seat that's faded is where the door window was. And I'm not worried about getting in that because I'm not going to really spray anywhere near that, really. It's definitely coming out nice. It smells like paint. So you can already tell the difference in the fade. You know, it's not going to be perfect. I mean, I'm not expecting perfection here, guys. I'm just trying to restore a set of seats without actually getting black all over my butt when I sit in them. They are worth it. There are very good brand name seats. So probably end up spending both cans on or a full can on each, just to get the fabric nice and black again. So you can already see the difference in black. And I'm almost through one can, and I did most of the front spot. I'm gonna let that dry a little bit, and I'm gonna do the other one. And we're gonna come back tomorrow and probably put another layer on. So I might even go get a couple more cans to make sure black stays black, faded to black. But yeah, you can already tell the difference in the blacks. And it looks a lot better. There were a couple stains we did clean and scrub out a little bit that were right here on the driver's seat, but these seats are actually in really good condition still, and they actually were still very comfortable. It's just they were super faded. I wasn't happy with them. So I might skip painting the back because the backs don't really get faded. They're not in the sun much. They don't get a lot of wear. So I'll probably just go ahead and skip the back to try to restore these seats. A natural Foxbody seat is a tweed cloth. Now, this stuff is extremely hard to paint and get it to dye. So I wouldn't really suggest using that stuff on here. I've done that before, and it just didn't come out right. It came out fine enough to pass as a black interior seat, but that sort of thing, you almost need a Wagner gun and like black dye. Does that make sense? And even then, it's gonna not look right because then you gotta actually paint the vinyl on the other side. So for those guys that have Foxbody seats, you're trying to cheat the black in them, and the seat will be crusty. And that's what I'm worried about with these seats. We're gonna paint these seats really good. We're gonna let them dry, and then hopefully tomorrow they're not crusty. Because I'm T-minus a week-ish from finishing this car and firing it up. I can't go nowhere unless I have some seats. Welcome back, YouTube. This is day 2. Guys, I already tell the difference. I've walked in the door. I didn't really smell much paint. I can already tell the difference. The black has dried quite a bit. These seats were super faded on the corners and even in the middle. They were a little bit stained enough to where I couldn't get them cleaned, but I ended up saving myself like 600 bucks. I mean, you could feel it doesn't really have a texture. And that's good for paint because usually paint has like a texture to it, but this is definitely fabric paint and it's definitely flexible. And all I really wanted it to do was dye the material. So it doesn't feel like it's crunchy or whatever. And I didn't want it to feel scratchy when I'm actually driving with it. I ordered a pair of Pro Car Scat, the sportsman seats that were like a velour black. They were on back order for like 3 months. I ended up digging out some old seats that I had, and I was literally gonna take these to the swap meet and just sell them. Now I'm really actually glad that I did expensive seats, and they're a high quality. These things gotta be at least 15 years old. So we're gonna go ahead and stick them in a black car, see how they look, see what you guys think. All right, so we got them installed, and I apologize for the lighting. I'm gonna try my best with the headlamp, but you can see but I think they look pretty good, guys. What do you think? I mean, they were super faded here in the corner. And they were faded right there in the middle, but they're gonna look really good in the car for right now. So that's all I got for you today, guys. Did a little resto, did a little seat restoration. As I said earlier in the video, this is a do-it-yourself shop, guys. We're not out to spend the money, even if we have it, to buy products that are unnecessary. So once I get these out in the light and I drive them a little bit and understand and get the feel of them, then maybe I'll make a decision whether I'm gonna return the Pro Car Scats that I just bought, or maybe even put them in the white car, or whatever. I might just save my money, you know what I mean? That's the whole point of doing Fox Resto. You know what I mean? Whether it be stock parts, aftermarket parts, these are a very well-known set of seats. These seats are expensive and they're very comfortable still. So we're gonna rock them and see what happens. Black car isn't perfect, and it's a perfect match. Anyways, guys, that's it for the day. That's it for the video. If you've enjoyed my channel, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and comment on the way out. You know, if you got some seats that you're gonna restore, or even interior for that matter. If you're interested in giving something back to the channel, I have a join button below. Go check that out. I have a club membership. It's a monthly subscription. Outside of that, guys, I just appreciate you watching this far. I appreciate you liking the video if you have already, and I'll see you in the next one.